Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set volumes in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. So to increase volume or decrease volume, just you can use this hard key. Okay, this upper key is to increase volume. Okay, this down key is to decrease the volume. See here, volume is decreased. Okay, volume is increased now. So this is volume settings. Okay, you can also set some other volume for notification, ringtone, etc. For that, first go to the settings in your phone and click on sounds and vibration. Click on sound. Okay, click on sound, and here you have media volume, ringtone volume, notification volume, alarm volume. To increase media volume, just move the pointer to the right side. Okay, for decrease, move the pointer to the left side. Okay, the similar way follow for other options, that is ringtone volume, notification volume, alarm volume, etc. Okay, just you can use these controls to adjust the volume and set the volumes for media, ringtone, notification, alarm, etc. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.